Hi everyone, this is Gillian. I've popped in to show you day 7 of the hashtag 12 Days of Digis 2020 by Cara and Dearjuliejulie. I'm a day late with this one. Day 7 was actually yesterday, but I've got a little bit behind, which I'm sure is fine. Better late than never. So for day 7, I've just done one journal page, and I've backed the page with some craft paper because I thought that green kind of went very nicely with the greens in this part of the digis. I've made the pocket from Cara's page. I've put the pocket, I cut it out, I've backed it onto the vintage book paper that I've been using. Then I've put some lace along on the digital itself. You can see there's that golden lace on the digital, and then I've put some real lace on top of that. I've used bits and pieces from the kit to layer a little bit, layered that up there, and put a bow onto that to pretty it up. Then with the the tags, I've backed them, as I've been doing, onto the tea-dyed paper. I've put a tab at the top of them with some very old vintage and maybe antique lace, this one that I keep cutting up to use bits and pieces of, and nice little bow on the top of there. And I've cut out extra bits, the small pieces, to sort of layer on those tags. And then there's also a pocket type, envelope type pocket that I've put together. I've used another little element onto there. I've glued this metal trim to it, and then just literally cut out and inked the edges of these two pieces from that day and popped those, pop those in there and into that bigger pocket. I think that looks quite a nice little layout. Now also on day 4, but I didn't pick it up until later, Cara put out a free page of digitals, just one free page, and those I've also used here. I've got a double page in my journal, so on the back of that day 7 I've just been showing you, I've made a double page spread. All of these bits and pieces are Cara's free digital page for day 4. If you follow the link underneath this video to Cara Brandon, you'll be able to find that and access it for yourself. Now I've used the lady that I'm making this junk journal for is a family, a relative, and this very, very old crochet doily is a family heirloom. My mum passed it to me a lot of years ago. There are 2 of them, and I thought the lady I'm making this for would particularly like to have one. So I've used it in this journal I've sewn it on by hand don't think you can actually see the stitching, but I've sewn it on by hand so that if she'd rather not keep it away, if she'd rather have it out somewhere, she can simply undo the hand stitching. And then I've made, because it's quite fragile, I've sewed it round to there, so it's got quite narrow parts that I will kind of later on put things into as well. So I thought I'd just show you that as well. You know, that's something else I've been doing as well, using that day for extra free sheet. Okay, so that page was my day 7. Very pretty. I love the pretty blue flowers and the oh, what's this called with the green? It's not mistletoe. It might be. Yes, it is mistletoe. And my journal's coming together very nicely, as you can see. So there we are for day 7. I'll be back with you for day 8. Take care. Bye.